Hello, today we are going to find the inverse of f of x. So the basic idea with the inverse is that we're going to switch y and x and then go ahead and solve for y again. So first I'm just going to rewrite this with a y instead of an f of x, and then I will switch y and x, and then we're just going ahead and solving for y again. So in this case, to undo the cubed root, I will cube both sides, and that cancels the cube root, and I just have a 3y minus 10. And then I will add the 10 over, because again I am solving for y. And then I will divide both sides by 3. And finally, I will rewrite this as the inverse of f of x equals x cubed plus 10 all over 3. And there you go, that's your answer. That's how you find your inverse. Now, a little more complicated one is to verify that f of x and g of x are inverses. And in order to do this, you have to show that f of g of x is equal to g of f of x, and both are equal to x. And if this is true, then f of x and g of x are inverses. So the important thing to here is show step by step by step. So first we're going to plug this g of x in for x over here. We're plugging in this whole thing. So it's a little bit complicated. Make sure that you put the whole thing in parentheses. So that whole thing is to the 5th power minus 8. Now, what you cannot do is distribute this 1/5. There is a plus sign in here. It doesn't work that way. What you can do is multiply your exponents, and that gives you just to the 1 power, which is just this. Now you can distribute the 4, and you'll get 4x over 4, which is x, plus 4 times 2 is 8. Notice I'm bringing every step down, and then the 8s will subtract, and you will get x. There you go. Now we'll do the other side. G of f of x. So now I'm taking f of x, I'm plugging it in place of x in g of x. And notice this whole thing is going to be raised to the 1/5 power. Okay, so now again, this 1/5, it cannot distribute. You have a plus sign there. What we can do is divide by 4 if you want. The easiest way to see this is usually to pull out this GCF. Still have parentheses. Your 4's will cancel. X to the 5th minus 2 plus 2 to the 1/5 power. Again, do not distribute that 1/5. Minus 2 plus 2 leaves you with just x to the 5th to the 1/5 power. Multiply your exponents and you get x. Then you should just verify, yes, f of x and g of x are inverses. Notice I show each step, step by step, and that we do see we get x at the end for both. Okay, I hope this helped. Have a great day.